Tonight, no Indiana counties are in red for the first time since late September. The state health department updated its spread risk map today. Just 8 counties are in orange. That's compared to 40 last week. Only 1 county was listed as blue, the lowest risk level last week. Now, as you can see, 11 counties are blue. Health officials also said today 955 Hoosiers are hospitalized with the virus. That is the fewest number of patients since October 4th. So good news. Well, more than 400,000 Hoosiers have a longer wait before they can get the vaccine. State health officials saying they hope to open eligibility to everyone in their 60s next week. But as Dan Klein joins us to explain, for several reasons, Dan, the weather is forcing a delay.
Yeah, and first of all, one of the biggest reasons, the state is still waiting on this week's shipment of the Moderna vaccine. Then, of course, it's also a side effect of this winter storm, which forced about 43,000 appointments to be canceled statewide. And those shipment delays may force some more rescheduling later this week. State health officials say once the deliveries get back on schedule, they hope they can soon expand eligibility to those who are in their 60s. At this point, they hope that can be sometime next week, but they don't know for sure.
Vaccine will continue to remain a precious resource for some time, but we are confident that our approach will protect those who are most vulnerable and put Indiana in a strong position to emerge from this pandemic.
Now, the second dose of vaccine is supposed to be given 21 to 28 days after the first, depending on which pharmaceutical company's vaccine you get. But according to federal health officials, the second dose given 42 days later still gives you full coverage, and it's still recommended outside that 42-day window regardless. Meanwhile, statewide numbers continue to improve. As Brooke just mentioned, the 7-day positivity rate for Indiana now stands at 4.7%, a full 1.5 better than last week and more than 11 points better than it was in the middle of January. Reporting in the studio, Dan Klein, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and be sure to follow us on Facebook.